Hello folks, this is Steve A.B.4Yo. Alright, I'm headed in the wrong direction. That answers that question. I don't know how many have gone by, but it's a lot. Hang on, I'm going to turn around. And I do mean a lot. Assuming everybody does have their lights on, I won't get crashed going across. So we got to go in the opposite direction. We're going to see if it's something that has happened on US 64, which is this road. Just listening for more sirens. You see the flashing lights to the right? You see the flashing lights to the right? You see this vehicle ahead of me that's running one tail light? That's two people turning around, like I'm going to do. No traffic coming. Now, one of those guys thinks he's going to go left. And he pulled over to continue straight ahead, because over to the left, I bet I know what it is. That one is stationed there to say you can't come in here. Because whatever it is, it's down there. And I mean, I heard at least 10 go by. Not all together. It's like there was the first wave, and then the second wave, and then the third wave. Then you saw it come out here after more than 10 minutes, And there's still another one coming to whatever it is. So it's big. And when they're big, and the guy ahead of me who was going to make a left turn got back in this lane because he understood that he wasn't supposed to go down that, and now he's turning left like I'm going to also do. Actually, two of them are turning left so they can get to where they need to get to by going down my road instead of the one back there. They're parallel. And if you get around the section where it's busy, there are ways to do that. So, this is Steve AB4L, just adventuring a little bit, curious, being nosy, saying see you in 73.